I combined the traditional Hollywood styling wax to my conditioning formula. This product will shape, set, or hold your feathered or fuller brows in place all summer. I dip my brush in the water and I brush the product into the bristles. Now I apply the product on the brow hair. This product has jojoba oil, castor oil. It is great for conditioning, also helps your brows grow. I take the other side of the brush and I brush it upward direction so that it holds the brow hair in place. If you love the untamed, wild, feathery and fluffy brows, this is the product for you.